Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Today we're going to show you the effort involved in building a new little bunkie, which is going to be right over in that area. And we're going to show you some of the equipment and some techniques briefly how this happens. That Mini X is excavating our footing holes. We got a hard-working little concrete mixer mixing up ready-mix concrete. And we're going to come around the corner here. Here's a view of the little site. There's some concrete blocks ready to go in the holes. And let's take a little look. Oh yeah, the concrete's already in the holes. It's been curing overnight. There's 6 excavations. There's going to be a nice little bunkie here. We're going to take a look at how nice this lake view is, but I just wanted to let you know we're going to do a little series on this. Here's a view we're going to take advantage of. Look at that beautiful lake view. As we get more information on how this bunkie's going together, I'll make sure to post it. Don't forget to press like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.